Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna make chicken kabsa, very popular and traditional Middle Eastern rice dish. It can be made using chicken or mutton. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon located next to the subscribe button to stay connected. Let's get started. To garnish, we need 1 onion finely sliced, 1 handful of raisins and 12 cashew nuts. First let's marinate the chicken. This is 1 kilo chicken cut into 4 pieces. Also we need 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, juice of half a lemon and some salt. Mix all of this well. I've made few gashes on the chicken so the seasoning will get in the chicken. Rub the marinade all over the chicken and set it aside. Let it sit for an hour. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of ghee into a pan. Add cashew nuts and fry for a minute. When the cashew nuts turn light golden, add raisins to it. Take them off the pan when the raisins starts to balloon up. Add the sliced onion and fry them until brown. Keep the fried cashew nuts, raisins and onion separately. We use them later to garnish. Do not discard this ghee. Onion infused ghee will give a nice aroma to the dish. To the same pan, add the spices, cinnamon stick, star anise, cumin seeds, bay leaf and 3 green chillies. Fry this for a minute. Here I am adding 2 onions finely sliced. Saute the onion for 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. Add sun-dried lemon. This is essential, do not skip it. If it's not available, dry some lemon and store it in an airtight container. To add more flavor to the rice, add a chicken cube. Mix it well. Some salt as per your requirement. I have got half a kilo rice, that is 2 cups. The ratio is 1:2. For 1 cup of rice, add 2 cups of water. So 4 cups of water. I'm going to use 3 cups of water and 1 cup of milk. This is to enhance the richness to the dish. Give it a quick mix. In this stage, check for some salt. Cover the pan and bring it to a boil. Water's come to a nice boil. Add the rice to the boiling water. Give it a good mix. Cover the pan and cook on low flame for 20 minutes. Rice is cooked perfectly. Let's fry the marinated chicken. Heat up a pan with 5 tablespoons of oil. Add the chicken pieces into the pan. Keep the flame on medium heat. Fry them for 8 to 9 minutes on each side or until the chicken is soft. Chicken is crisp outside and soft inside. It's well done, and I'm going to take them off the pan. Garnish the rice with fried cashews, raisins and onion, which we fried little earlier. Add fried chicken to the rice. Serve it hot. Add all these ingredients into a blender. Add little water, grind into a fine paste and serve with kabsa. I hope you enjoy this Middle Eastern rice dish, which is very simple and easy to make. Do give it a try and share your feedback in the comments below. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.